Hi, I'm Frank. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this panel on the Pentair UltraTemp pool heat pump. Mine has gotten to a point where the up button does not work. The other buttons seem to work, but I can't get the temperature to increase. So there's a problem with the membrane on this pad. So I'm going to replace the pad. Before you start working on anything electrical with your heat pump, go to your panel, locate where your pool heater is. Mine is right here. And turn it off. You'll normally see this green light on. So as I try cycling it, everything is off. Now I can go ahead and take the panel off. Now to get to the panel, what you need to do is to take this section off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws that need to come out. And once you get those out, then this panel will come off. Now that this panel is off, there are a couple of screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that we need to undo to take this section off. And then this panel just pulls right off. So make note of where these connectors are, because you're going to undo these and then put the new board in and put those connectors back in. So here's my new board. There's the where the connectors are. I'll just pull the connectors off the other one and put them in this one. Put it back in, put it together. All right, old board, new board. Everything is in place. I'm simply going to push it back in like that. And I'll put these 4 screws back in and panel back on, and that's all there is to it. And you can see everything is on. It's finishing up. So in 9 seconds, we'll turn it on. And there we go. So you can see that this is a pretty easy job to do to replace that panel. Anybody with a screwdriver can do it. Just be sure to turn the power off and then back on again so that you don't end up hurting yourself. If you found this useful, I really would appreciate it if you would hit the like and subscribe button. Any comments you may have are appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.